While you're still thinking about marketing, your competitors have already started and they're on top of it. And that's why they're taking all your customers. When someone searches AC repair near me, they always click on the top 2 or 3 companies that appear on Google out of dozens of companies. And it's those companies that get the calls and others don't even exist. And here's what kills me, the math. It's $25 to $80 per lead. One AC repair job pays $300 to $500, and that's like 4 to 10x return on every dollar spent. And I know this because we bring visibility to companies like yours on Google, on ChatGPT, and generate leads for you through Meta. And your competitor also has this figured out. You don't even have to outspend them. You just have to show up. So turn on your ads today, start your SEO now. And if you need any support to do this, drop me a comment or a DM.